Hello everyone, so I just wanted to let you know about Blender Market's huge summer sale which they're having on their website. And during the summer sale of 2023, all of the products tagged with Summer 23 will be 25% off. So the sale will begin on Monday, August 21st at 12:01 a.m. Central Standard Time, and then the sale will end on Sunday, August 27th at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So during the summer sale, all of my products will be 25% off. So if you've been thinking about getting some Blender products like some Blender add-ons, tutorial courses, 3D resources like material packs and model packs, or any other Blender products, then during the sale is a great time to pick up some products. So some of my products that I wanted to highlight is my Ultimate Blender Procedural Material Pack, and my Ultimate Blender Procedural Material Pack comes with all of my procedural materials, and they're pre-set up for Blender's asset browser with custom thumbnails, sorted catalogs, and customizable node groups. And when you purchase my Ultimate Procedural Material Pack, you'll also get future updates with new materials, because I update the Ultimate Procedural Material Pack every time I create another 10 procedural materials. You can also check out my Furniture and Home Asset Pack, and my Furniture and Home Asset Pack comes with 250 Blender 3D models, and they're all preset up for the asset browser, so you can just drag and drop them from the asset browser into your 3D scene. Or you can also check out the product variations, which come with just 50 models, and each product variation comes with models for just a specific room, like bedroom assets, bathroom assets, and living room assets. I also have some tutorial courses which you can check out, like my Space Station Corridor Blender tutorial series, and also my Martian Environment Blender tutorial series. And as well as checking out my products, you can also check out my affiliate links in the description to some Blender products which I highly recommend, such as the Pro Atmo Blender add-on, also the Physical Starlight and Atmosphere Blender add-on, also Simply Cloth Pro and Simply Micro Mesh, and also the Quick Baker add-on, and some other Blender products, so the links to those will be in the description. And if you purchase any of those products through my affiliate links, then I will earn a small commission, and that's a great way to help support me and this channel. And another thing I love so much about the Blender Market is any product which has the heart icon will donate a small percentage of the sale earnings to the Blender Development Fund. So that's a great way to help support Blender as well as purchase some great products for your 3D work. So again, I'll have all the links in the description, and during the summer sale is a great time to pick up some Blender products. So I hope you enjoy the sale, and thank you for watching.